I'm going to show you how to play Drop Zone, which is a fun game for practicing. Now with Drop Zone, this is your side of the screen as the guest, and this is your opponent's side of the screen, Calculation Nation. Now you can click on Game Directions to read the directions, and you'll see here that the object of the game is to make sums of 1 and to prevent your opponent from making sums of 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to see several different columns of tokens, of pieces. And what you want to do is load the dropper here with fraction amounts and drop them in to try to equal a sum of 1. Now, and then whatever you put inside of your dropper to drop down in there, the column that you fill all the way to 1, the token that you're going to earn is going to be the picture that's underneath that. So I'm going to start by, I notice here that this bar right here, this purple one, is half full. Well, I know that 2/4 is the same as a half, so I'm going to add that into here. And I'm going to scoot it over 1, and so I can see that the two values that I'm adding are 2/4 and 1. If I drop this into there, it makes 1, and I get that token that's in there. So I get a star token. Now, to win the game, you either have to get 1 token of each type or get 5 of one kind of token. Now, there's a trick that you can learn, and that is if you use more than one of your columns here to fill a column, you get the number of, so if I use 2 pieces, I would get 2 of that token. So I'm going to try to use 2 or 3 of these this time to fill a column. Now let me see here. If I add 4/12 and add another 12th, that makes 5/12. Where can I drop that? If I add 5/12 to 6/12, is that going to give me 12/12? No, that's just going to give me 11/12, so that's not going to work. But if I have 4/12 and 6/12, that gives me 10/12. I just need 2 more 12ths to go. Now you notice this piece right here, this 1/6 actually fills up 2 of those 12ths. So if I put this here, that's the same, 1/6 is the same as 2/12. So that should fill my column. That should give me 4/12 plus 2/12, which is 6/12, plus 6 more 12ths, which gives me 12/12. Let's look and see. All right, and since I used 2 of my pieces to do it, I got 2 of those tokens. Now you're going to continue doing this and earn as many tokens as you can to win the game. So good luck and have fun.